Hello, today we will guide you through how to add your Gmail account to Outlook. To get started, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Make sure the program is fully loaded before moving on, so all of the menu options are available and easy to access. If Outlook opens directly to your inbox, that is perfectly fine. You are in the right place and ready to begin connecting your Gmail account. Once Outlook is open, look to the top left corner of the window and click File. This section is where Outlook keeps many of its account and setup options. So if you have never used it before, do not worry. It is a normal part of the setup process and is the place you will go whenever you need to manage accounts, change settings, or add a new email address. After selecting File, you should see the Account Settings area. At the top of the Account Settings drop-down, click Add Account. This tells Outlook that you want to connect another email account to the app. In this case, you will be adding your Gmail account so you can send, receive, and organize your Gmail messages directly from Outlook. Once you click Add Account, simply follow the on-screen prompts to add your email. Outlook will guide you through the rest of the setup, and in most cases, the process is straightforward. You will typically be asked to enter your Gmail address and then continue through the sign-in and permission screens. Be sure to read each prompt carefully so you know exactly what Outlook is requesting during the connection process. If a sign-in window appears, use your Gmail login information and continue as instructed. Depending on your Google account settings, you may also be asked to confirm your identity or approve Outlook's access. This is a normal security step designed to protect your account. Take your time here and complete each screen carefully. When the setup is complete, Outlook should confirm that the account has been added successfully. At that point, your Gmail account will begin syncing with Outlook. Depending on the size of your mailbox and the speed of your connection, it may take a few moments for all of your messages and folders to appear. And that is all there is to it. By opening Outlook, selecting File, choosing Add Account, and then following the on-screen setup process, you can quickly connect your Gmail account and manage your email in one convenient place.